Dr. Denke. This is Dr. Fuhrman. Dr. Fuhrman hurt his lower back. So, I gotta keep him working, right? So I'm gonna adjust Dr. Fuhrman because his back's hurting. Go ahead and lay on your stomach first now. So we gotta take care of each other around here, and we always gotta take care of everybody in the office, including Jerica. She's always the one complaining and like, oh my gosh, my back hurts, my neck hurts. But today, Dr. Fuhrman adjusted me yesterday, actually, between a few patients. My neck was hurting and it was giving me a headache, so he took care of me, and we had to hurry up. So now it's morning the next day. His lower back's bothering him. He's a little bit taller, and I saw him yesterday. He was like bending over patients like this, and I was like, man, this guy, he's young, but his lower back's gonna be killing him soon. Sure enough, this morning his lower back's already hurting. So I'm gonna get him going here. Let's go right there. Okay, go ahead, breathe in and out. That was good. Let's go right there again. Right there, breathe in, hold it. Good, relax. All right, now, I'm gonna come up here. This right here, upper thoracic, lower cervical. Okay, there. This is a really good one. Everyone loves this one here. We call it a combo move because it gets a little bit of the neck, a little bit of the upper back. Nice. Easy right there. Good. Good. More good. There it is. Good. Okay, now, turn on your side, I'm going to say. One side bother you more than the other?
No, it's about the same range.
All right, now go the other way. All right?
Oh, yeah.
Let's get your head. Neck been feeling all right?
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Now we're ready to work.
Ready to go.
Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that button or that button for the next video. See you next time.